Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to see if someone screenshots your story on Instagram. So if I go for my story, upload a story, okay, okay, wait for a second. My story is uploading. Okay, then if I go for my another account and see my uh, story and take a screenshot and go to again to my account, and if I refresh it, then I can't see here any notifications. Okay, if I go for my story, then you can see just it shows the viewers, but it don't shows the screenshot notification anywhere. You can't see the option, or you just see here are the viewers who has viewed your story. So it means Instagram doesn't show if someone screenshots your story. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.